stop, cover, hold, don't run, and don't go somewhere 3 metres away.
Not by windows, because they got smashed.
Yeah, and the table.
So with our team, we work in a very open plan space, and the team in the middle of the office had big, large desks, and so those guys working at those tables will drop directly underneath those desks.
Check if everyone's okay and go outside.
After we've stopped, dropped and covered, we're probably looking around at each other, making sure we're all okay.
Make sure nothing's fallen off and broken.
Wait for a little bit though for aftershocks.
Just some tinned food and some water and some band-aids.
Actually, my flat does. We've got like cans and water and a torch.
Yeah, we've got one at home. It's a big bucket, some defence ones.
In the event of an earthquake, listen to your local radio station for information. Expect to feel aftershocks. Be aware that electricity may be out and that you could be on your own for hours, if not days. Make sure you and your family have a survival kit, an emergency plan in place so that by being ready, you can get through.